Oh, you're fine.
That'll keep you out of the way of the yoke.
Trying to find the airport right now. Yeah, I believe that's the highway right there.
Yeah, the warehouses and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're off the edge of the highway.
Do you see the airport yet?
I believe the airport's up there off to the right.
Okay.
I think I see hangars. We're just at 4 miles out. We probably got to get just a little closer.
What's the other runway? 29 and what? 11?
11, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I see a plane.
Okay.
Pretty low.
Yeah, so it should be to the north of the...
Yeah, there's you see that red plane right there?
Yep.
See the landing?
And we'll watch him and get an idea.
Where the
Okay.
runway is.
See all the red buildings down there?
Yeah.
I think that's the airport. The red top buildings.
Oh, where the runway was?
Yeah, so the runway should be... Let's just follow that red guy in. Okay, I see one rolling on the ground.
Okay. Oh, I see it.
Yep, so that's the runway there. Okay, so you can get us into the pattern.
Alrighty.
And I'll keep an eye out for any other buddy out here.
Grimes traffic, 29501, enter on 45 downwind for 29, Grimes traffic.
Alright, watch that guy below us. He just turned crosswind. And he's underneath
Grimes
us.
traffic, Tri-Pacer 4358 off, 10 miles to the south, inbound for landing runway 29ers, man, at the times.
Okay, I see the red guy now.
Okay.
29 Grimes, pump it up.
Okay, I see the runway now.
Okay.
Can't make fun of my landing.
Okay. Well, that guy's flying a pink airplane, so. Don't even think I'm here.
Grimes traffic, 29501, left base for 29, Grimes traffic. Sorry about that.
Oh, you're fine. Got a few birds up there, but I don't think there'll be a problem. Very nice full stall landing.
Thank you, sir.
Crash traffic, crash off the
Take
runway
that
29 Grimes.
Not sure where I'm supposed to go.
Yeah, let's go all the way up. And we'll see if somebody's going to direct us to park. Otherwise, we'll figure it out for ourselves.
Yeah.
Good morning, deck traffic, Piper Cherokee 5.
And we got all that on video.
451, 9 miles south, 2,500 landing deck.
Well, we landed, so it was a good landing.
It was a good landing. Well, as my flight instructor always said, he goes, you land safely, it's just not pretty.
That is the active
Follow
runway
him, guy with the yellow vest.
Keep going straight. Gonna go up by the track pacer.
Alright.
Deck traffic, Cherokee 56451, what is your active?
All right, we have arrived. Video out.